everyone, it's Zorian here, coming in with a vlog, day in the life of a statistics student at Virginia Tech. Today is the biggest day in Virginia Tech basketball history. It's March 29th, it's a Friday, and for the first time in school history since the field expanded to 64, my beloved Hokies, you know, the team that I have been a lifelong fan of, are playing in the Sweet 16. No, Siri. But very excited. I wish I was in DC today, but I have a lab meeting and I have a computer science project that I just started this morning that's due tonight. But regardless, we're gonna keep track of this day. We're very, very excited. We're gonna take down Duke and Zion Williamson. At least I'm hopeful that we will. But today, you know, really big day to be a Hokie. Got my Virginia Tech basketball shirt on. I got this in high school, I think freshman, sophomore year. It was back when James Johnson was the coach after Seth Greenberg was fired. One of my best friends, Corey Alexander. Shout out to Corey at Old Dominion University doing his thing. His dad is a former UVA player, and he was calling the UVA Tech game in Charlottesville that year, and he brought me along to watch us get embarrassed. But yeah, I've had this shirt for a while. Lifelong fan. This is a big day. Super emotional. Let's go Hokies. What's up, guys? So it's about 8:55 a.m. So about to go catch the bus in about 10 minutes for my lab meeting. So I'm kind of anxious. So I'm working on this project to kind of predict colon cancer based off of like gene expression data. And for the past few months, we've been having a lot of trouble really grouping the subjects into the correct stages without, you know, using actual staging information. So we're gonna do that. But in the meantime, I guess I could show you my black ass outfit for the day. Definitely really athleisure today. So got the red hoodie, some black sweat shorts, and these. Yeah, got these on. So overall, yeah, just a really chill day today. Keeping it comfortable. We're gonna try our best to go get a lift in after the lab meeting, and there's a talk today. Michael Jordan of UC Berkeley is a really big machine learning guy. He's here. I might go to that talk if I have time, but yeah, priorities for the day are definitely finish my Python project, lab meeting, and a lift is third on the list, but we'll see, because higher priority is going downtown and watching my Hokies tonight. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head out to the bus stop now. So yeah. There's our bus right there, so I'm gonna catch it and I'll be back with you guys. Way down there, the building you see in the center of your screen, and we're on the 4th floor. So I'm gonna be winded, so I may not be able to give any commentary. So that's where I'm going, that's where I'm headed. I'll probably catch up with you guys after my meeting. So here we are in the Department of Statistics. I'm waiting on my PI, so we're just gonna chill here. I'm kind of sweaty because I had to climb 4 flights of stairs, but it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after the meeting. Hey guys, we're back at the crib, back from the research meeting with my PI. I had to change my shirt. All the walking kind of had me drenched in sweat, but that's what happened in the spring. My hair is messed up, but it's all cool. Basically, the meeting was just about the process I guess where we are in the process. I've done basically the whole analysis you want me to do multiple times over, but we're not seeing the results we want. So we kind of talked about just taking a simulation approach and seeing if there's some kind of threshold where our model doesn't, starts breaking down when there's a certain level of noise incorporated in the data. I could talk about this more later if you want me to, but like overall, just new approaches I'm going to take, especially since I have a poster, well, I have a national conference I'm supposed to be presenting at in May. It's late March, and I have not started making my poster yet, but in the meantime, I actually have a Python assignment that I have to do, and I will walk you guys through it, what I have to do, and all that good stuff. But yeah. Alright guys, so I'm making lunch right now, taking a little break from the coding. Just some weird formatting things about Python that are causing some issues, so we're gonna take a break. So I'm actually really into fitness, and past few years, so I grew up really scrawny, and the past few years I've just been trying to gain weight and bulk until I felt like I started to look a little chunky. So I went from like 155 pounds to 215 over the last 2.5 years. And right now I'm kind of like cutting, trying to get down to like 180, 175, something like that. A lot more tighter before I start grad school. So I'm cutting right now, so I'm making a nice little healthy lunch. Let me show you guys what I'm making. So right here I'm pan frying some turkey burgers. Turkey is, you got 8 ounces here of the 99% fat-free turkey, ground turkey. Just season them. I think I put some sriracha to marinate them in. Make patties, pan fry them. And yeah, my place is a little messy. It's been a real hectic week. So here we got the sandwich thins for the buns, and I'm going to be adding these slices of reduced fat cheese. Then I have pickles, mayonnaise, mustard, pretty light condiments, and I have some nice onions I'll add as well. But yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch, and I'll get you guys with the code update in a sec. What's up guys? So I took a nap. I've been running off of 3 hours of sleep a night, so I had to take a nap for the one time. I'm feeling good. I'm going downtown in about 40 minutes. Meet up with some friends, watch the game. So I woke up. I got me some beverages. So if I vlog tonight, if I remember, you guys will see a very early intro to Drunk Zorian. But no, regardless, tonight's a big night. I'm gonna show you guys the code tomorrow. I'm just gonna take a late penalty and probably do it tomorrow, so I'll talk through that. But yeah, it's Sweet 16 day, first Sweet 16 in my school's history, so it's gonna be lit. We were the worst team in our conference last, I think 5 years ago, so my senior year in high school, so this is huge. I've been a lifelong Virginia Tech fan. I'm so happy. But yeah, we're gonna pregame, listen to some music, and I'll catch you guys downtown. Maybe not.
Just take a picture of me.
You guys want to be in my vlog?
Yes.
Be in my vlog? Let's go, man. That was mad. I said it was gonna be chill. Yo, here we go. Hey guys, so we lost, heartbreaking loss. My heart really breaks for this team, but great season. I'm super proud to be a Hokie. This one sucks. So I'm a Patriots fan. I've been a Patriots fan my whole life, and this loss probably took the cake. It probably beat the '07 Super Bowl for the most heartbreaking loss I've suffered as a sports fan. So my heart goes out to the Virginia Tech basketball team. You have made me super proud. I'm super proud to be a student of Virginia Tech. Super proud to be a fan of you guys. Med, Ty, 5, love you. Best of luck to whatever you're going to do next. We'll be back. Hokie Nation, bro, yeah, I got cheated. I wouldn't say cheated. The game was officiated a little iffy, but we had our chances. We didn't convert. Shout out to Duke. Good win, but this one hurts, man. This one hurts. But I'm probably going to just watch TV and go to sleep and ride tomorrow, so peace. Oh, man, okay. Good morning, guys. It is, I don't have my watch, it is Saturday, March 30th, 2019. Morning after the Tech Duke game. Still very, very upset and disappointed, but it happens. Best team in school history. On to next year. But I guess this morning I'll kind of show you guys what I'm up to, working on my CS project that was due last night. So taking some points off for a late penalty, but I'll show you, I guess, the gist of what I'm supposed to be doing. What's up, guys? So I took another nap. Just about done with my programming assignment. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm really into fitness. So it's 6:30 now. I'm gonna try to get to the gym for a 7:15, 7:30 workout. So we'll see. I might be able to catch you guys there. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back from the gym. It's about 10:45 at night. I made some dinner. Guess I could show you guys what I made. Yeah, so just chicken. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back. I took a shower. So like I said, I went to the gym earlier. Really cool. Really good back day. Ate dinner, showered, and just to kind of wrap things up, I guess I'll show you guys my computer science project that I did not finish, but it's okay. I think I'll at least get like a B, maybe a C on it. That's fine. But yeah, I'm actually recording on my iPhone because I'm new to this like vlogging thing, so I didn't see the need in investing in a camera. So I'm probably just gonna switch the camera around. All right, so yeah, here's the project spec. It was due March 29th at 11:30 p.m. I've already turned it in, but as you can see, it's March 31st at 12:07. But yeah, basically the whole project was just to create a hex editor, which is basically a text editor that takes a binary file and converts it into hex. So our file looks like this. Basically, you open the program, you'll have this welcome prompt, and you're supposed to be able to open the file that was given to us for testing. So you can open it and you should perform like a hex dump here. I think that's what it's called. That's what I called it, at least, from one of my other CS classes that I took 2 years ago. We did a similar program when we had to like convert to hexadecimal, but yeah, I just called this like a hex dump, and you just basically print out the binary file in hexadecimal. You have 8 bytes right here that kind of denotes your index, and then you have 16 2-byte hexadecimals for each row of the file. And your cursor is like basically your current editing position, so any edits you make will have to will be like inserted, or any edit you make will be made where the cursors are. So you can actually move the cursor to a specific index. So here we're saying, hey, move the cursor to index 35, and keep in mind that each line is basically 16 bytes. So here you have, this is byte 16, this is byte 32, 33, 34, 35. So that's move 35 and how that works. Then we can insert. So when you insert, you can insert 1 to however many bytes. So this example, we're for 4 pieces of data, and here we're entering basically just 4 quick little hexadecimals to the 35th spot. So if we go back up here, we see how this is supposed to work. We have 14, and after that we want to insert, well, at that spot we want to insert this guy. So that's it starts and overwrites this value and puts the rest in place. Well, it doesn't overwrite, it just kind of pushes it back. But yeah, the 14 is now here instead of here. So I'm not sure if my file does that, but I don't care anymore because I've already turned it in. Here you have erase. So erase is actually supposed to work in 2 different ways. The first way is basically if you just type in erase, it deletes the cursor spot. So here, before we had 0f, we enter the command erase, and now everything shuts down. We have 9e. I got that functionality working. I don't think the dump worked. I probably won't be, we'll see. The dump wasn't working. I was deleting everything, but the dump wasn't working, so the cursor wasn't showing up. And I just kind of gave up on that. And then, yeah, you have to be able to save your file. So if you quit, so you enter this quit command to exit the program, and if the file has been modified, so if you've deleted anything or inserted anything, you have to be able to keep track of that. You're supposed to prompt the user if they want to save and give a yes or no response. And I kind of made it a little bit lenient so they could insert upper or lowercase letters. I don't know if I'll get dinged for that, but basically, yeah, they say yes, you have to enter a file name, and then you write it to the file. So I have a case where we do it in binary and text, CSV, whatever. But yeah, that's basically all the functions that have to be implemented. Yeah, and she gave us some comments about, you know, what each function should do, and like error handling, like how she wants specific errors handled. So yeah, that's kind of what I did. Pretty boring, pretty simple. This is a self-study class. It's not meant to be super grueling. It's just kind of like, hey, you guys, like, I think the prereq for this class was like data structures. So everybody in it already has a pretty decent grasp of programming concepts, and this is just a class to kind of teach yourself Python. I already know Python, so like this wasn't that hard of a class. And here's my final script. Not that long. It took like maybe a few hours of I guess some very patchy concentration, but yeah, overall the class isn't meant to be super grueling. The projects can be a little time consuming, but no new concepts are super hard. Just use Python. And here, let's see, we can open up a bash script. All right, so here I'm in my directory. Let's say I want to run. I'm gonna run, I have it in a file called hex.py, so we'll run this. And it's loading. Okay, so we have our prompt. Here we're gonna say open example.bin, and we have our cute little hex dump. And if I remember, we have move 35. Cool. Let's say inserts 05. We dump, shifts everything down. That's fine. If we hit erase, I think this is where I had the bug. No, it works. Okay, so maybe I fixed it. I don't really remember, but yeah, that's pretty much the program. Maybe I'll get more credit on this than I thought. So we can say quit. It's gonna ask me for like save. I'm gonna say no, just because I don't wanna write it to a new file. But yeah, that's it. So hope you guys found that entertaining. I doubt it, but no, it's pretty cool stuff. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up this time. If you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I know this is kind of dull, but I'm really trying to feel out this whole vlogging thing and YouTube thing. I am starting graduate school in September, and I'm planning on documenting like my whole PhD journey. So this is kind of like a demo run to just get some footage, get used to vlogging and getting comfortable around having a camera out and recording myself, and hopefully that gets a lot better. I really want to kind of include more stuff of my day, but yeah, this gets, you know, any kind of viewing. I may vlog more regularly, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Zoe is